Good morning, everyone. My name is Viraj Lawan, and I am here to talk about quick response manufacturing. So, let's start with the presentation. What is QRM? Quick response manufacturing is a strategy for reducing lead times across all functions of an organization. The resulting improvements in speed and responsiveness increase the organization's agility and responsiveness, resulting in competitive advantage. History: the QRM concept is based on time-based competition (TBC), which was started by Japanese enterprises in 1980s. Time-based competition is a broad-based competitive strategy emphasizing time as the major factor for achieving and maintaining a sustainable competitive advantage. Development: the concept of quick response manufacturing (QRM) was first developed in the late 1980s by Rajan Suri, at the time professor of industrial and system engineering at the University of Wisconsin-Madison. Principles of QRM: singular focus on lead time reduction, focus on manufacturing enterprises, clarification of the misunderstanding and misconceptions managers have about how to apply time based strategies, company wide approach reaching beyond shop floor to other areas such as office operations and the supply chain, use of cellular organization structure throughout the business with more holistic and flexible sales, inclusion of basic principles of system dynamics to prove insight on how the best organization and enterprise to achieve quick response, new material planning and control approach, specific QRM principles on how to rethink manufacturing process and equipment decisions, novel performance measures, focus on implementation and sustainability, manufacturing critical path time metric to measure lead times. Benefits of QRM: reduces overall lead times, bring new products to market faster, increase competitive advantage, reduce scrap and rework, lowers cost, improves quality, increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Benefits of QRM for suppliers: reduction of buying mistakes, minimization of stock holding, quick, quick tracking for merchandise, higher stock turn, improvement of cash flow. Benefits of QRM for retailers: improvements of planning system, quick access to sales information, easy tracking of products, security of getting more orders, improvement of manufacturing system. Difference between QRM and lean manufacturing: the driver is reduced of lead time. In lean manufacturing, the driver is waste reduction. In QRM, it is time based. In lean manufacturing, cost based. In QRM, principles for other company areas also. In lean manufacturing, restricted to only shop floor. In QRM, provides an alternative strategy called POLCA, which combines the best features of push and pull without their drawbacks. In lean manufacturing, the lean strategy of pull is either wasteful or breaks down altogether. 4 R's of QRM: responsiveness, reliability, resilience, and relationship. Organization structure: functional to cellular, top down control to team ownership, specialized workers to a cross trained workforce, efficiency utilization goals to lead time reduction. Enterprise wide application: office operations, material planning, production control, supply chain, new product introduction. Implementation: creating a QRM mindset, changing of organizational structure, inclusion of system dynamics, enterprise wide expansion of QRM. Conclusion: it is suitable for a great number of roles within the manufacturing environment, enables attendees to respond better to the challenge and demands of customers who are moving towards high fix and low volume environments. Thank you.